Is TCL Smart TV AirPlay compatible? Yes, some TCL Smart TV models are AirPlay compatible. TCL has integrated Apple AirPlay 2 into many of its newer Roku TV and Google TV models, allowing users to stream content wirelessly from Apple devices such as iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks to the TCL TV. This feature makes it easy to share videos, photos, music, and screen mirrors directly from your Apple device to the TV. 1. AirPlay 2 and TCL Smart TVs. AirPlay 2 is Apple's wireless streaming technology that allows content to be shared between Apple devices and compatible TVs. TCL has added AirPlay 2 support to many of its newer Roku TV and Google TV models, ensuring seamless compatibility with Apple devices. With this feature, you can cast content from your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook to your TCL Smart TV without needing any cables. 2. Features of AirPlay on TCL Smart TV. AirPlay allows you to stream or mirror content from your Apple device to your TCL TV. You can share videos and movies, music and playlists, photos and slideshows, screen mirroring from your Apple device. This provides more flexibility in how you use your TCL Smart TV, offering seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. 3. How to use AirPlay with TCL Smart TV. Step 1. Ensure that your TCL Smart TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your Apple device, swipe down or up to open Control Center. Step 3. Select screen mirroring or choose the specific content you want to stream. Step 4. Select your TCL Smart TV from the list of available AirPlay devices. The content will begin streaming or mirroring on your TV. 4. How to identify if a TCL Smart TV is AirPlay compatible. Step 1. Check the model specifications to see if AirPlay 2 is listed as a feature. Step 2. Look for the AirPlay icon in the TV settings or app menus. Step 3. Visit TCL's official website and search for your TV's model to confirm if it supports AirPlay 2. 5. Should you choose a TCL Smart TV for AirPlay compatibility? If you are an Apple device user and want the ability to easily share or stream content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to your TV, choosing a TCL Smart TV with AirPlay support is a great option. It adds more versatility to your TV, enabling seamless content sharing without the need for extra devices or cables. Many TCL Smart TV models are AirPlay 2 compatible, allowing you to stream or mirror content directly from Apple devices to your TV. If you're an Apple user, this feature enhances your viewing experience, making it a great addition to a TCL Smart TV.